Hello, my name is Sharvil and I will be presenting my project titled Clean Action Plan for GVPs along water streams, focusing on Rajkot's rivers and wokras. Rajkot's rivers and wokras, once vital parts of city's natural drainage system, are now burdened with waste and pollution. Field observations combined with RMC data reveal that garbage vulnerable points repeatedly form along these streams, especially around bridges, markets, dense settlements, and places where visibility is low and access is. While routine waste collection has improved on the surface, the hidden stretches under bridges and along embankments continue to receive unmanaged dumping, creating chronic waste pockets. This project focuses on creating an actionable plan for managing GVPs along water streams through spatial assessment, governance review, community engagement, and a replicable pilot intervention model. The study followed a structured approach, mapping and diagnostics, institutional and contractual review, stakeholder interaction, case study analysis, pilot site detailing, and final action plan development. The citywide framework includes diagnostics, institutional strengthening, technical interventions, IEC strategies, costing, phasing, monitoring, and expected impact, covering spatial, behavioral, and financial dimensions. City level gaps highlight unreported GVPs along drains, limited manpower, reactive cleaning, weak monitoring, and persistent behavioral dumping. Nearly all waste collected from streams goes unsegregated to dump sites. According to the latest assessment, nearly 88% of Rajkot's streams are degraded, indicating systematic ecological stress closely tied to unmanaged solid waste. National and global case studies like Bengaluru's K100, Aurangabad's Kam River shows that long-term governance, community stewardship, and integrated SWM are key to successful river revival. The pilot intervention brings together 7 components from diagnostics and technical options to costing, phasing, monitoring, and risk assessment, forming a complete cycle of planning to long-term O&M. The chosen pilot is a 1 kilometer stretch of Aji River between Ramnath Bridge and Kesare Hind Bridge, a culturally significant zone with recurring waste accumulation. Using the toolkit and field validation, 40 hidden GVPs were identified across the stretch, many created due to bin removal, access gaps, and timing mismatch in waste collection. The graph shows wards 6 and 7 as the most affected, dominated by orange and red priority GVPs, indicating high recurrence and high health and blockage risks. The interventions fall into 7 categories: cleanup, waste processing, preventive measures, nature based solutions, community engagement, informal sector inclusion, and monitoring. These interventions collectively deliver environmental restoration, economic value recovery, and long term social stewardship. The total project cost is estimated at 8.73 crores for both banks. A blended financial model combines RMC funding, CSR partnership, state central schemes, EPR credits, and 5-year DBFOT based O&M by the contractor. The implementation follows short, medium, and long term phases, beginning with rapid cleanup and control, followed by NBS and greenway development, and evolving into a structured 5-year O&M cycle. Every intervention brings both risks and benefits. On the risk side, challenges like inconsistent waste load, behavioral backsliding, and coordination gaps may affect long-term maintenance, but the benefits clearly outweigh them. Cleaner streams, fewer GVPs, better public health, stronger community ownership, and improved flood resilience. This project ultimately build a cleaner, safer, and more resilient river corridor for Rajkot. Ultimately, this project strengthens Rajkot's river corridors as living ecological assets, not neglected drains. Swachh Dhara, Sanja Sansadhan, clean flows, a shared resource for people and nature, is the long-term vision guiding this entire pilot.